Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing data and creating recovery points, backup photos, contacts, and app data to your chosen cloud or a PC. Once done, enable developer options so you can see security-level controls. Go to Settings, About Phone, tap build number 7 times. Make sure to immediately forget any unknown Wi-Fi networks and unpair suspicious Bluetooth devices. This removes easy remote connectivity. These steps protect you, while we remove deeper remote access vectors in the next stage. You now focus on software that enables remote control. First, revoke device admin privileges for any unfamiliar app under Settings, Security, Device Admin apps. You must disable admin to uninstall. Next, uninstall or force stop apps that request accessibility, camera, microphone, or location permissions, and that you did not install intentionally. Make sure to clear cache and app data after uninstalling. Also inspect installed profiles and VPN apps. Remove unknown profiles because they can tunnel traffic. You complete the process by restoring clean defaults when necessary. If remote access persists, perform a factory reset after backing up essential data. Once reset, immediately change passwords for your Google account and other key services and enable two-factor authentication. Reinstall apps only from trusted sources and monitor battery and data usage for anomalies. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode to prevent third-party apps from running. Then uninstall the offending app and repeat the reset if needed to fully remove persistent threats.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.